Really? May, are you a gremlin? You're a gremlin? What's it like being a gremlin? Really? I didn't know that. My goodness, sweetheart. You're the fiercest gremlin ever? Oh, I know, I believe it. You definitely sound like it. Goodness, sweetie. Oh, yeah? I know. Oh, okay. You're gonna go and bother your siblings for their food. I see. Jeez. Grandma. You're such a fierce little gremlin, sweetie. I don't even know what to say. Oh, May May. You're the gremlin queen, huh?